Here you go, buddy. Have some tea.
Thanks.
This'll be fun. Like the opposite of a sleepover. And I'll stay up with you all night if you...
Night, dude. You kick open the chest. It's a trap. You've awakened the Demon Queen. Fight the Demon Queen. The Demon Queen cackles and swats your arrows away? Modern games are so intense. How do I check my stats?
Lady, you can't come in this bank. My whole job is you can't come in this bank. Oh, it is on. Ooh, don't kill me. I've never known true love.
Oh my glob! I wasn't even asleep that time! Jake! I think Finn's sword is trapped in the village of spiky people. We gotta go rescue him.
What? Why come you know that?
That sword is me! He's been sending me psychic Finn mails of sadness and fear to my Finn box. We gotta go save him, it's really important to me. Ah!
Do you ever take those off?
Oh, Glob! What happened to my peaceful world? It's Nacho Island Tuesday. Nacho Bros, can you hear me? It's Kurt, Nacho Bros.
Stop!
Ah!
A talking sword?
I was keeping it on the DL, but yeah, I'm Finn Mertens, AKA Finn Sword, AKA sick of your non-Irie antics. You can't be using me to rob banks. Hero use only.